Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. Here for another unboxing of a knife. Got a few days ago. It's an Eafengrow knife. It's a new made in China. Eafengrow EF. Yep. Let's see. EF335 tactical knife. 335. So, trying to put the magnifying on it. So I've opened it already. So we'll take a open it now. So here it is. Comes with the pivot tool. It's a special tool, you know, because it has special pivot fittings or screws. And here's the knife itself. Oh, hit the desk. So try that again. That didn't sound. There we go. There it is. Let's see. Take it down here so you can take a look at it like that. Alright, so it comes with the pivot tool too. So there's what it looks like. I already took it out of the box and I actually sharpened it and polished the blade a little bit. So it might not come this shiny. And it definitely didn't come sharp as I have it right now. It was not quite shaving sharp. But I don't know. I got it sharp now. I could shave with it. Got actually a pretty good edge on it right now. But yeah, let's see. See if I can get it. Yeah, I got pretty much a mirror finish on the edge. See that? Yeah. So let's take it right out of the, so you guys can see it. There we go. There's it's like a spear point blade, and you might recognize this. It's a Eafengrow, but it's somewhat of a clone of a Microtech DOC, but not exactly. It's made with D2 steel. You see it right there. Like I said, the blade was sharp, but it wasn't shaving sharp. But now I got it shaving sharp. A little oil there dripping. See, it has the. There we go. So it's not deep carry. It's on the heavy side. I like it. So they give you this tool. I did, when I first got it, I think, I can't remember, a few of these I did tighten up. Or you just kind of, but I think a couple of them were, well, at least one on one side was loose. So I made sure it was tight. The pivot, I don't remember really messing with the pivot, but this is kind of nice. They put this tool in here. So I guess I don't know if it actually fit a Microtech, but I've heard that Microtech wants $30 just for that tool. But I actually purchased a knife, another knife of a copy of a Microtech that Eafengrow did, which was this one, and I already got one of these tools here. So you see that those two are kind of like brothers. So, yeah, there's that one, but that's another one that Eafengrow kind of copied, and it was inspired by Microtech, but we're doing this one today. So let me check my notes and see what we got here. What we got? Eafengrow EF335 tactical folding knife, $29 on Amazon. D2 blade, G10 handle. with the pivot adjustment tool, 3.5-inch blade, 5-inch handle, ball bearing pivot, flipper, and thumb stud. So you have multiple ways to deploy it. You got the flipper here. You flip it out like that, or you have thumb stud deploy, and the thumb studs act as a blade stop also. So kind of check inside. Well, I don't know if I did a complete. I'll do another go by it. Just kind of look through real quick. There's the lock up. It's a liner lock. You can see the detent ball down there. And it's so it locks up. It's got a nice spot where you can get your finger in there to have it shut. It has a little, almost like milled out grip section that you can grab with your thumb, so it's very easy. The thumb stud or thumb flipper is got a little bit of a jimping, and then of course the top of the blade has jimping. And what's also cool about this, it has a full finger choil, so you can really choke up on it and you really get that kind of grip. And it actually, if you really just look at the blade shape, it's a spear point, but it kind of reminds me of, I don't know if people agree with me, the Mannix, Spyderco Mannix, where they have the leaf shaped blade, but of course you don't have the hole. But to me, that reminds me of it. Let's pop over to this camera here and show you something. Alright, here we go. So here's what I got it on Amazon, and it is, like I said, $29. See the blade right here, I don't think the picture in Amazon represents very good. It almost looks like this is a tan color, but it's really not. Mine, it's a different color. It's all steel colored, but it almost looks like it's painted that color, but it's not. I'll show you again on the blade. So that looks more like it. That spot here is not painted. So it's more just a different, the brushing or the way they took the metal milling went the other direction. So some other pictures. So there's the G10. I like it. Some people said it looked like plastic, but I don't. I could see the actual grooves in the mill. It looks like wood. I mean, it has like a grain to it. Feels like almost. I like it. See, move this like that now. But yeah, let's get out of this. Has 212 ratings of 4.3 stars, and it comes in, looks like black, the color I got, and orange. So there you go. And this is the knife, the other knife I showed you right there. So those are, and here, check this out. Here is a Microtech. This is a very expensive knife. You can tell this is kind of what they're going for. It definitely has a appearance like a Microtech, but I mean it's not. I mean, but you could say it's not. I wouldn't call it a clone, because it's not a clone, because this is made out of, I believe, it's a frame lock. It's definitely inspired by that Microtech, but go back to here. I'll show you the blade again, because the blade is definitely, the picture really, I didn't think did it justice. It's a satin. It's more of a satin than anything, but I polished it up, and you could see how it reflects the light. Really cool. See, this is like brushed a different direction, this angle. So you can see how see that. What shall I compare it to? We got some large size knives right here. We're going to slide this forward and go down on it like this. Bring this up a little bit here. Get a higher view. Alright, let's see. Got a Gerber 06 Fast right here. This is a very large knife. This it is one, let's see, and of course it says 3.5 inch blade, but it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there's the 4 mark, but technically it's 3.5 inch for the cutting. But it's total, I think it's 9 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just maybe under 9 inches. And here's the Gerber Fast 06. It's a bigger knife than this, and this is kind of a big knife. This one right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's under 9. So you can see it's a large knife. Here's another large knife. Oh crap! Let's see. Grab this right quick. And this is a Harns Warrior, and I would compare it to this size knife right here. So Harns Warrior, and it's about the same. This actually, the Harns Warrior is a little bigger. So those two compared. Now here's more of an everyday carry most people would have, and this is not a rat one, which I'm gonna have to buy a rat one day just so I can say it's a rat one. This is the Ganzo copy of a rat one, but I bought it because I watched videos and it had a little better steel than the so you can see him. Get this out of the way. So here's the rat one. It's a very common everyday carry for people. Well, the larger one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just under 8. And there, you can see that. You can see the size. So there you go. It's not a small knife. So if you're expecting a smaller knife, you're going to be disappointed. So, here's the other. Really don't. Just so you see. I guess so. These two are kind of, like I said, like brothers. They're both Eafengrow. And there you go. But very large knife. I think that's the common ones. Alright. You want to take a look at this one or nah?
What?
You want to take a look at this knife here we got? I'll bring it to you. Or toss it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. My wife is going to take a look at it.
When did you get this?
A few days ago.
Ooh, it's like wood.
It's like wood. Mm-hmm.
I like how heavy it is.
It's very heavy. Well, I'd say very heavy. It's like you get your...
It's got a good weight.
It's got a good weight. I'm going to plug this in while you're checking it out.
Wow.
Yeah, I resharpened it. So I'm going to plug this in. I'll put a weight on it for you.
Kind of a funny blade.
Yes, I would consider it a spear point.
Here, look at me.
Okay, hold on a second. She's mimicking, yeah.
Stabbing.
I guess that's what she's doing. Yeah.
Okay, I like this.
Okay.
I like this. I like the weight of it. I like the way it looks.
Mm-hmm.
I like the way it feels in my hand.
That's what she said. She did.
Shut it. She did just say that. Wow. It feels like a very well made knife.
It is actually for $29. It's really a good deal to me.
$29?
Yeah, it's $29 with bearings. So.
Wow.
So.
I like this. This is right up there with my favorite knife, the Warrior.
Okay, and that's actually what I have over here showing. Comparing, it's very comparable size. So
I like that.
she likes it.
I like it. Maybe it's mine now.
Maybe it is. I guess you just have to grab it when you want it. Alright, we're going to take a look at the weight on this. Since we got, well, she was Oh, maybe we will. Oh, I gotta turn it on. Alright, so there's a 0. What do we normally? We go ounces. Mode ounces. Here's the ounces. 7.1 ounces. So as you can see, it's a fairly hefty and weighty knife. Like a normal, there's that one, 4 ounces. I think a 4 ounce, usually like people usually don't like to carry more over 4 ounces. But here, here's a Fenwolf, which is a very light knife. That's 3. So, 4 ounces, I think, is a normal everyday carry weight. But this, of course, it has steel liners in it, so it's a beefy knife. So we got 715, and here's the Warrior she was talking about. This is the Harns Warrior, which I already showed you. It's another beefy, like, this is a nice knife, too, if you want to get a Harns Warrior. So watch my video on that, too. And that one's 7 ounces. So these two are very, very, not so much the looks, but the weight, the feel of them, they're very compatible or similar. So, alright. Thanks for your little input there, Vicky.
You're welcome.
Alright.
If I was feeling better, I would have come over and been on camera.
Alright. Well, maybe maybe in the future we got a knife that I got for a few months ago called the Mermaid. We still haven't.
My mermaid
We still haven't done that yet, so we'll have to do a video on the Mermaid knife. But,
yeah.
Alright, well, I'm going to wrap it up. But like I said, here's the Eafengrow EF335 with the pivot tool. And thank you for watching. You like more videos like this? Like, share, and subscribe to Angela's Edge. Have a good one. What did you say before? Have a knife day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Have a good one. Bye.